The Runes protocol is a new token standard for issuing fungible tokens on the Bitcoin network. Runes protocol seeks to give users a more efficient way of creating fungible tokens. Developed by Casey Rodarmer, the mastermind behind the Ordinal protocol, Runes protocol is a streamlined, efficient alternative to the earlier BRC-20 token standard. Runes protocol leverages the unspent transaction output UTXO model already inherent to Bitcoin. This UTXO-based approach allows Runes to create fungible tokens with a significantly smaller footprint on the blockchain. In essence, Runes acts as a layer on top of Bitcoin, enabling users to create and manage various types of fungible tokens directly within the Bitcoin ecosystem. These tokens could represent anything from loyalty points and community currencies to fractional ownership of real-world assets. By simplifying the token creation process and ensuring compatibility with Bitcoin's security infrastructure, Runes opens up exciting possibilities for expanding the utility and reach of the Bitcoin network. So, what makes Runes protocol unique? First is UTXO efficiency. Unlike some methods that burden the blockchain with bulky data, Runes leverages the existing UTXO model, a cornerstone of Bitcoin transactions. This minimizes the data footprint of Runes tokens, ensuring they don't contribute to blockchain bloat, a major concern for Bitcoin's scalability. Second is the Bitcoin security. By utilizing UTXOs, Runes tokens inherit the robust security mechanisms that Bitcoin has established over time. Runes tokens will benefit from the same level of security as Bitcoin. And lastly, compatibility with existing infrastructure. Runes seamlessly integrates with the tools and wallets already used in the Bitcoin ecosystem. This eliminates the need for additional infrastructure or complex workarounds. Alright, so what exactly will Runes bring into the Bitcoin ecosystem? 1. More users. The Runes protocol will allow projects to issue different types of fungible tokens, such as security tokens, stablecoins, and governance tokens, on the Bitcoin blockchain. This could expand Bitcoin's utility and attract more users, who will enjoy near-instant and low-cost transactions due to the protocol's potential Lightning compatibility. 2. Increased revenue. More transaction fees will be generated as more people interact with Runes tokens. This will boost revenue for miners, incentivizing them to keep securing the Bitcoin network. With the block reward set to decrease further in April 2024, Bitcoin miners will be in need of more revenue drivers, and Runes could be just the protocol needed to keep miners motivated. 3. Innovation. The Runes protocol encourages developers to innovate in new and exciting ways, giving users a chance to experience activities on the Bitcoin blockchain that no one would have ever thought possible. Alright, so where do we go from here? According to Casey Rodarmer, once the OPCAT Bitcoin Improvement Proposal BIP is approved, it will be possible to bridge Runes tokens to Layer 2 networks. He estimates that the BIP will be introduced to Bitcoin within a year. OPCAT is an operation code opcode in the original Bitcoin script. CAT represents the word concatenate, where two elements in a script are joined together. However, Satoshi Nakamoto disabled the opcode to prevent DOS attacks. So I am not sure it's actually smart to undo that. So as not to bore you with so many technical stuffs, I think Runes is not going to bring anything hugely significant into the Bitcoin technology itself. It is just another side of the Bitcoin protocol that developers will probably play with for a while. However, we can leverage on the security side of things to create something really useful. But that might not have so much huge impact on the already high market capitalization of Bitcoin, but will definitely create some rush of new ideas.
Alright guys, give this video a thumbs up if you learned something new. Share and subscribe to encourage the work that we do. Don't forget to check the description below for our Telegram channel link, where we would be sharing fascinating crypto information. Till I see you again, stay curious and keep learning.